Hello, Masters. This is Sri Lakshmi from UK. I'm truly grateful for this wonderful global initiative called SWAG, Save Water and Go Green. Water is one of the most valuable resources on this planet Earth. Three quarters of our planet is covered with water. 97% of water is in our oceans and it is very salty. So, leaving us only 3%. And in that, lot of water is frozen in Antarctica, my dear friends. So humans have only 1% of water which can be used for drinking, washing, and other things. So let's start using this water more wisely by following few tips like being more aware, being more mindful. We can save a lot of water. For example, when you're brushing your teeth, the tap doesn't need to be on all the time, my dear friends. The same applies when you're washing your hands or when you're washing your vessels. So let's save this energy by changing our habits. So, with a few small changes to our lifestyle, we can reduce our impact on this environment. Every cell, every molecule, every system in our body requires this water. This water carries oxygen molecules to all the cells in our body. So, without this oxygen, the cells will start dying, my dear friends, and our body will stop to function. So, water is very essential as it flushes out all the toxins out of our body. And also, while drinking water, daily program that water with positive intentions. For examples, just hold the glass of water and start saying, I love you. Thank you so much. I bless you. So when we program this water, it forms a beautiful crystals, my dear friends, and we can drink that crystalline water. Next initiative is called Go Green. What a wonderful initiative, my dear friends. Being green means like being compassionate, being caring, being protective to this planet Earth. We should start being compassionate with all the beings on this planet Earth, my dear friends. Human beings need to start. They should start respecting all life forms. This earth is for all the living beings, my dear friends. As Mahatma Gandhi said, the greatness of a nation and its moral progress lies or can be judged by the ways animals are treated. So let's start respecting each and every life form on this planet Earth. So be a vegetarian and be a meditator, and let's swag, my dear friends. So save water and go green. Let's swag. Thank you.